Welcome back to our Presidency University YouTube channel here, and we are all set to celebrate our Independence Day, because as we all know that this Independence Day is our country's biggest pride. So the preparations have started a week prior itself. So what is happening is our Department of Student Affairs, all our friends and colleagues are trying to put this national flag up for the D-Day. Yes, for the Independence Day. This is a flag rehearsal that's happening. Along with the flag rehearsals, we also are rehearsing for the March Past. Yes, and who's doing that? The people who are so very responsible to keep us safe and fair and healthy as well, because in Presidency University we do have a big bunch of security personnels. Please stay tuned to Presidency University's YouTube channel. Many more preparation and road ahead for the Independence Day celebration is coming up.